Schoolboy coaches Never Burtis Bell and Lenworth Lenny Hyde are optimistic about Shantamoy Taylor and Roger Granville's chances of settling in Brazil. As Simon Preston reports, the duo officially signed with Serie D club Rio Branco on Thursday.
Former St. George's College attacker Shantamoy Taylor and former Clarendon College forward Roderick Granville have signed one-year deals with Rio Branco, with the club having the option to extend their deals a further year. Club-wise, Taylor played with Central Kingston FC locally, while Granville was in the Portmore United youth setup. Head coach of St. George's College, Neville Burtis Bell, coached Taylor and reacted to the move to Brazil.
I'm so very happy for him, and the fact that he's in Brazil, he can only improve. And I think the type of player he is, it would suit, I think, the Brazilian environment, for want of a better word. So I'm really just hoping that he will go from strength to strength. And also very happy for Roger. So happy that both players are at Rio Branco in Brazil. And hopefully this might be another way for Jamaican players to start their professional career. I just, again, I pray that everything works out for them.
Hyde was Granville's coach at Clarendon College when they took the 2019 Da Costa Cup and Olivia Shield titles, and he feels Granville will settle in well in Brazil.
That's great, man. Feel elated. And as a youth, I expected that, I say no lie, because the work rate, the work that he puts in, and he believes in himself. You know, technically he's good. He a one-on-one situation and he can beat any defender. And you know that's the style of the Brazilian, so I think he will fit in well there.
Both players will be available for selection for Rio Branco's next game against Atletico AC on Wednesday. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.